Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Emveni kokuba uHerman Mashaba Uncle Emene semthulile uXolani Khumalo kubantu abebekhona, ube naye sekhuluma se-address abantu, kodwa into ayenzile uyowahlasela ama-political parties, wakhuluma ngawo. Kodwa ke into ayishilo naye icacisela abantu ukuthi igebengu ezinkulu zisephalamende, igebengu ezinkulu. Ngeke ngakusho lokhu ngaphambilini, ngathi inkinga yami angazi ukuthi uNembeza ngawubulala kanjani, kodwa kube kuyangami bengizokwazi ukubulala uNembeza bese ngizoba yi-politician, ngoba ama-politician ayakwazi ukuhlala usuku lonke akhulume ngenkinga wena ekuphethe, kunokuthi bakhulume into bavumelane, bakhulume into baphume nezwi elilodwa ezokwenza ukuthi thina sisizakale. Balibala ukuphikisana, kwesinye isikhathi bangayilaleli into ngoba ishiwo ubani, kodwa lento uyibona ukuthi ibalulekile ngoba bona banesalary yabo e-right, bahola more than 100,000 ngenyanga, abanayo inkinga. So ukuhlala lapha bakhulume noma kungashona ilanga ungabezwa bathini, ayikho inkinga kubo ngoba ekugcineni kosuku bazohola. Ngifisa ke ukucaphuna le nkulumo azoyisho. Emveni kwalapho ngizobe sengiyaphawula. Kukhona futhi nento yasho Prince Mashele, mhlawumbe ngizoyicaphuna nayo emveni kokuba sengicaphuna uXolani. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section ngizwe nti ubona kanjani. Cela uzwe la.
The greatest criminals are not hiding in shadows. The greatest criminals are in government offices. From the ANC to the DA and their so-called GNU, the failed establishment parties are all the same. They claim to put South Africans first, but yet they just shield and collaborate with their criminals, and they destroy our future by putting themselves in their interests first. These politicians are in bed with the gangsters who terrorize our streets. They open our borders and allow lawlessness to go unchallenged. Shuthi lobu lawlessness abafuni ukuthi singabantu bana South Africa sibulwise. But today it's enough. Sekwanele. It's into something about us everywhere. Gresham lepi elwayo akusimpi yokubanga umsindo eParliament. Akusimpi yokugqoka impahla zabantu abasebenzayo ama-overall kuba ngathi nasebenza ngo-20 months abasebenza. Akusimpi yokuthenga impahla zamasotsha kuba ngathi nempini, kanti niya empini yokufuna ukulutha imali zabantu nomsebenzi abantu. The real fight is walking into a filthy drug den, 2 o'clock in the morning, catching drug dealers red-handed and making sure that they are removed from our communities. The real fight is confronting murderers, arms dealers who are flooding our streets, neighbor. So we will have to understand that if you are getting 10 rand and we have $1 billion worth of assets, how is that possible? So lifestyle audits will be done. And any who are living beyond their means will be exposed. I mean, there are so unveil. I will unveil you. every single contract will be reviewed. The corrupt ones will be cancelled. This thing of people thinking that getting into government or municipality is a get-rich-quick scheme, it's gonna end. It will never happen under our watch. We must restore law and order. And that means I will establish a specialized EMPD unit to crush gangs and drug syndicates that are holding our communities hostage. This thing of having our communities being bullied by drug syndicates, it's gonna end. I've done it before, I'm still doing it, we will continue doing it. Gone will be the days of lazy officers taking bribes. Gone will be the days of police who look the other way because they are afraid that their principals are involved in those criminal activities. We know that the drug syndicate or criminality that happens in our midst, it's influenced by the principals in the SAPS. So this thing of having police officers that are afraid to work because they're afraid to lose their jobs is gonna end. The principals, the generals that are corrupt, they must understand very well, not here. Not here. So we must crush the drug cartels that are destroying our youth. I've been fighting this war on the ground, and as your mayor, I will lead it in the fight. Drug houses will be shut down. Drug dealers will be arrested. Our children will be protected. But we will not only fight, we will also heal. We will expand the rehabilitation and prevention program. We will give our young people a way back, a way out, and a way up. Ngizwile bazali bami. Ngizwile bafethu. Ngizwile bosister. Ngithembeni. Njengoba uPresident ashilo ukuthi we hold a very powerful tool. Ngithembeni. We must fix the basics. For too long, money that should have gone to repairing our roads, fixing our pipes, keeping our lights on, has been stolen by corrupt politicians. That ends under my watch. Every community deserves the dignity of clean water, working electricity, and safe streets. Every family deserves to open their tap and see water flow. Every child deserves to study under a working light. Every grandmother deserves to walk on the streets without having the fear of falling into a pothole. Angeke ukuthi umdala kumele uhambe eklinikhi noma uhambe uyothenga something esipaza shop. So uyile ngapho kuseyipothole.
Ngithi ngibheka le video kaPrince Mashela ngiyibona angiyiyeke kodwa umzulu uXolani ekhuluma ubalile into eningi, wabalile wonke ama-political parties lawa abefisa ukukhuluma ngawo, okuyi-ANC, i-DA, GNU, EFF, MK. Khulumile ngawo wonke la ma-political parties. So waze washo nezinto ezenzekayo, ezinye zakhona njengoba umbuzo engithi obubuzwa abantu ukuthi azilona iqiniso na, ezinye zakhona. Sonke siyazi ukuthi uma ufuna ukuba uma ufuna ukuba namathenda ufuna ube connected nama-politicians, ngoba ngeke uze uwathola amathenda ungekho connected nama-politicians. So singakuzonda nje ukushiwo uXolani, kodwa siyakwazi lokho ukuthi kuyiqiniso ukuthi ukuba sephalamende kuyithuba kwabanye abantu ukuze bekwazi ukuzicebisa noma bacebe bona nemindeni yabo. Sisale thina. Uma ungabheka labantu abalapha ephalamende, lezi nkinga esinazo thina abanazo ngoba ba-secure. Ngisho iy'ngane zabo ifunde ey'koleni ezi-right, isele impilo yethu ngemuva. So ingakho ubona ngathi abantu base-South Africa ba-frustrated. Ileso simo esenza ukuthi abantu base-South Africa babe frustrated ngoba la bantu bebenethemba lokuthi bazokwenza impilo zabo zibe ngcono, yibona laba abangabanakile. Iyona nje into eyinkinga leyo. So ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho ngale nkulumo kaXolani. Mhlambe wena uyakubona oku-wrong akushilo, mhlambe wena awukuboni, kodwa ngicela ukuzwa ngawe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Bakhona-ke abangaphathekanga kahle, le nkulumo ayibaphathanga kahle, baze bathi bazothi uma sebemhlasela bese kuthiwa babhitha. Usho njalo omunye wabo wathi, hayi sothi mase sesimhlasela noma sesimphendula bese kuthiwa sibhitha. Kodwa baningi abantu okukhulunywe ngabo kwakhathazeka bona bodwa. Kwavele kwakhathazeka bona bodwa. Ya, ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Umbuzo nje obuzwe ngabantu lo othi lezi zinto ey'shiwo uXolani ngabe azilona iqiniso na? Mina ngazi, angeke ngisho lutho, ngicela ukuzwa wena ukuthi wena ngokwakho ukwazi azilona iqiniso na lezi ey'shiwo uXolani ngalabantu athi abantu abenza ubugebengu obuningi balapha in government. Azilona iqiniso na lezo zinto. Ngicela ukuzwa ngawe ukuthi wena uthini. Ngizwe ukuthi wena uthini. So ngicela ukuzwa wena ukuthi uthini. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.